How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the wireless card from a Dell Inspiron 13 version 7373. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Unscrew and remove bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Now peel away adhesive from wireless card. Then unscrew and remove wireless bracket. Now disconnect antenna cables and remove wireless card. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.